Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track emails in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, what we need to enable the email tracking in Salesforce. To do so, you will need to go to setup. After that, we will need to search for activity settings. So here we just type activity and then we search for activity settings. Then we will need just to search for enable email uh, tracking. So here we can find it in the middle and basically make sure that the checkbox is checked. Then all you need to do is to click on submit so you can save this new settings. After that, we will need to go and search for email or enhanced email. And after that, we will need to enable them. If you have them disabled, you will need just to click on enable them, and then you will be able to start tracking the emails. So simply, you can just go now to your home, and after that, you can go, for example, to contacts and we can go for this contact and basically in the activity center from here you can start seeing all the activity and basically even the tracking or all the emails or any tracking will be shown here in the activity panel. And now you can start mailing them, automating the mailing, or for example going to a list. For example, we can go for opportunities and or campaigns, and we can start sending email lists for our contacts or for our leads, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.